Ikat na to. Hi mga followers! Welcome back to our channel! For today's vlog, we are going to make a review of these different Milktea shops in Davao City. So, we ordered 5 different brands of Matcha Milkteas. Hey guys, disclaimer lang ha. Para sa amin lang kung saan sa kanila ang masarap. Yes, para lang sa amin. Yes. So, are you excited? Yes, of course! Tara!
The Milkteas are transferred in a glass, so we don't have any idea what brand it is. Also, we made sure to have a break in between so the taste of Milkteas won't mix up.
Okay, so let's try Milktea number 1. Let's try! Kind of sweet and a little bit of matcha flavor and a little bit of creaminess.
For me, sakto lang siya. Hindi siya mal-addity. It's not very strong. The flavor of the matcha is not very strong. And the creaminess, I think it's perfect. Pero let's see kasi may 4 pa naman. We can compare. Milktea number 2. So, when we compare it with the first one, I think mas lighter siya dito.
Yes.
But tingnan natin sa lasa.
Okay, let me try first. For me, it tastes like sugar, and when it comes to matcha, it has a bit of bitterness for me. Yun na.
Okay, let me try. Yeah, I agree with you, Besh.
Yeah.
Ang matcha flavor niya is stronger than the first one. And the sweetness, I think, comes from the sugar, not from milk or cream. So, for me, compared to matcha number 1, mas preferred ko si matcha number 1 kaysa Besh.
Yeah. The same taste buds. So, okay.
Here comes Matcha Milktea number 3.
Let's try. I like the creaminess, but it's sweet and less of matcha. That's all.
For me, the matcha flavor is less emphasized in this brand, and it's creamy, it's sweet, but I think, well, compared to 3, I still preferred matcha number 1. Ikaw, Besh.
For me, let's wait later. So here comes matcha number 4. Again. Ta-da!
Well, from the color, it's very obvious, no? Among the 4, siya yung pinaka-strong color. And for me, pinaka-strong din ang pagka-matcha na. Sweetness, hindi, yeah, it's sweet but it's not creamy. Ano ba yun ba? Yung ganun na lasa, sweet siya but not creamy. So, I think those who are really matcha lovers will like this. Ito kasi talaga yung lasa ng matcha. I think dun sa mga health conscious or for those who are really watching their weight, I think they would prefer this. Kasi less yung creaminess niya and malalasahan mo talaga ang matcha. And as we all know, matcha is a superfood, diba? So I think this is good for those who are health conscious.
Talaga, let's
Yeah,
try.
try mo, Besh.
I agree with you, Besh. It has a rich flavor of matcha and it's sweet but not creamy. Yeah.
Last but definitely not the least, matcha number 5.
Let's
Besh,
try.
ikaw na, Besh.
It's okay. You can still taste the matcha and sweet but not really creamy. That's all I can say. Besh. Anong masasabi mo, Besh?
For matcha number 5, all I can say is it's not so matcha. Alam mo yun, Besh? I mean, you know it's matcha flavor from the color, but when you taste it, it's not so matcha. Overall, I can say it's
Okay.
so-so. Yeah, it's just okay. The flavor is okay. That's it.
So that's it. Our 5 matcha milk teas.
And now, we are going to pick our top 3.
So my top 3. Let's start from the top. Okay. So this is my number 3. I like it because it tastes really matcha, rich in matcha. And yeah, that's all. And then my number 2 would be this one. It's because it has matcha, it's creamy, but for me, a little bit of sweet. And then my number 1.
Drum rolls.
This one!
Wow.
Yeah, because from the three of them, I prefer this one because it's has matcha, creamy, and not sweet. That's all. What about you, Besh?
Now, Besh, my top 3.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, they all taste good,
Yeah.
right? But of course, we all have our favorites, right, Besh?
Yes.
So, my top 3 is, for the third spot, I will choose this one. I'm curious what brand is this. What do you think? Do you have any idea?
Let's see.
Okay, let's see later. Well, I choose this as my top 3 because I like the taste. It's creamy. I think even those who are not really matcha lovers would love this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's really creamy and the matcha flavor is still there. I choose this one as my top 2 because I love the matcha. I mean, the flavor is really matcha. But yeah, I mean, you won't feel any guilt if you have this one. And for my top 1, oh my god, from And the moment I taste it, I know this is the one. This will be my top one. No joke. But yeah, seriously, my top one is the
Same kami.
yeah, same for me. Guys, we did not talk about this,
Yeah.
but yeah, I think we really agree
We
that
have the same
this
taste bag.
yeah, this brand is really, really, for me, for us, the best matcha milky flavor here in Davao City.
Yes.
Why? Because, well,
You
like,
can have it all. I mean, nandito na siya lahat.
yes, yes. The sweetness, the matcha flavor, the creaminess, it blended perfectly. That's why
Yeah.
we choose this one. But we don't know about you guys, of course. We have our own preferences.
Princess with the taste.
Yeah. But for us, we recommend this one for those of you who loves matcha. For us, this is the one. This is really the best.
So now, it's time to reveal the brand of these Milkteas in front of us.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
Which is which, kaya... Finally, it's time for the big reveal.
So these are the brands that we have tasted. This is my number 3. Now I know that 50 pala siya. And my number 2 is Happy Lemon. And of course, forever favorite, my number 1, Matcha.
Actually, guys, we have the same top 3 brands, di ba? Iba-iba lang yung ano niya,
Matter with the
ranking niya.
Ranking.
But actually, we have the same top 3 brands. As for me, my top 3 is Happy Lemon. And of course, my top 2 is as we both agree, our top favorite, Macau Imperial.
So for those matcha lovers, we suggest you to try Macau Imperial.
Yes, guys, try it yourselves. Cheers! So that's it, guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.